How to fix no sound on WhatsApp status. Let's get started. For that, first of all, swipe down to open up your control center and just like that, turn off Bluetooth. Sometimes your phone may be connected to a Bluetooth headphone or speaker, which means the sound plays there instead of your phone. After that, you have to make sure your phone is not on silent mode. Turn off the silent mode and increase the volume to maximum. And after that, you can simply use your side button volume while watching the status video to increase the sound. Now open up WhatsApp again and then tap on the updates button. After that, you can go ahead and simply play a video to check if the sound works. If the issue still continues, long press on WhatsApp, tap on remove app, tap on delete app, and then tap on delete again. Once deleted, open the App Store and just like that, reinstall WhatsApp. After reinstalling, open the WhatsApp again and the status sound should work normally. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.